Okay, so I've just come outside today and I've noticed that Maggie Newport is busy working over in this station. Maggie, can you just tell the audience what you're doing today?
Well, playing phone.
Okay.
Wait. Wait. What? Yeah. That's what I do. Then I'm going to get on
Okay.
my computer.
Oh, all right.
Oh. Now I'm going to take a picture.
Okay, well you're ready to have a photo op if you need one. And there's Brady, your cousin. Okay.
And music.
And your music. So what do we do with this? Alphabet. Oh.
Watch.
Okay, so watch. Uh-huh. Slither. Maggie can really slither. Mm-hmm. The letter M. Mm-hmm. And Brady's copying you too.
Zoo. Zanny, zanny, zoo. You, zanny, zoo.
Okay, y'all need to back up. I need to back up. Brady doing it too.
Gaddy, gaddy, goo. Gaddy, goo. Goo, goo, goo. Gaddy, gaddy, goo. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.
Okay, stay over there because my camera shows you better if you're over there. Yeah. Well, Brady, are you not going to dance anymore?
Oh, it's over, okay, guys?
Hey, I wonder if the batteries are gone. Oh, here we go. 20.
Bye-bye. Bye. Oh, birdie, bye, bye.
Okay, so what's next on your table? What are you doing today, Maggie? Are you setting things up for Brady to help him learn today?
Let me find my tune.
Find your tune?
You got it.
Yeah. Whoops. Uh-oh. You okay? Good. So it's kind of hard to dance when you bung your knees up, isn't it? Brady, don't laugh at Maggie. Okay, quick recovery. He's trying to dance too, Maggie. He doesn't know when you bend down.
That's all, folks.
Okay, that's all, folks.